Amarjyoti's Crochet World. Today I am here once again with my new tutorial. Today we are going to make a project in which we are going to learn how to make different shape in for amigurumi projects in crochet. Okay, earlier I have posted one video for how to make a circle and circular ball for amigurumi projects. Okay, and then I have posted one more video for invisible decrease, how to do invisible decrease in crochet. But today we are going to make a different video for which is related to amigurumi project as well, but in this the shape is not a circular one, rather it is a triangular one or a conical shape. I will show you. Like if I say like this project, this is a unicorn that I had made earlier. So for its horn I have made this. This is also an amigurumi project, but the shape is cylinder, the conical. Okay, these cones, it is stuffed with the fiber filling, that is why it is in the conical shape. This shape is this is not stuffed from inside the ear. It's also a conical shape, but it's not stuffed, so that is why it's a flat one, right? It's also an amigurumi thing. Okay, so let's learn how to do the stitches to make it in a conical shape or in a vertical, in a longer shape. Okay, so let's start. So for making this project, just I am taking a thin yarn, a 4-ply thin yarn. I am taking this. The as I usually recommend, the crochet hook that you should use for making amigurumi project should be at least one size smaller than whatever size you are recommended for the particular yarn or thread, whatever you are using. So for this yarn 3.5 mm is recommended, but I am taking 3 mm crochet hook for that, right? So basically we need a crochet hook, a stitch marker. I had also shown you a video in which you can use the alternate colored thread instead of a stitch marker. It's up to you, you can use that also. So we need a tapestry needle to hide the tails, okay, and a pair of scissors, right? So basically, because I'm not going to stuff right now, I'm just going to show you how to make the conical shape in amigurumi. Okay, so I'm not taking the fiber filling, right? So first of all we are going to start with the magic circle. Okay, holding the edge or the end of the yarn with the tip of my thumb, and then folding it over the fingers, making it an X. Taking the yarn which is below or on the which is crossed over the fingers, take it from here, insert your hook in between the fingers, and then pull the longer edge through it. Okay, and then hold it like this, and then make a single crochet, means hold your magic circle with the single crochet stitch. Okay, so this tail you will be pulling it to close the loop. You have formed a ring, which it is called magic ring. Why it is called magic ring? Because you can pull it and close the loop, and then your ring will be closed, right? So chain 1 is just to hold your magic circle, right? So because we are going to start, if we were going to make a normal circular project, then for that I would have taken 6 single crochet stitches or 8 single crochet stitches in the first round. But because we are going to make a conical shape, so for that I am reducing the size from 6 or 8 to just 3. So make 3 single crochet stitches, 1, 2 and 3 inside the ring. Now pull the end and close the loop. So currently it looks like a very small, like this. Okay, it is a bit difficult, but trust me, it will become very beautiful thing. So this is your round number 1, in which 3 single crochet stitches are there. Now insert your hook in the 3rd stitch from the hook, because we are going to make round number 2. It's tight, so difficult to insert the hook. So make 1 single crochet stitch in the 1st stitch, mark it with the stitch marker, very tiny, so a bit difficult to hold. So 2 single crochet stitches in the second stitch, 1 and 2, and 1 single crochet stitch in the last stitch, right? So your stitch count has increased from 3 to 4. Okay, so round number 2 we have made 4 single crochet stitches. So see, it is not much bigger, but it has taken the shape of a cone. Remove the stitch marker for round number 3. Round number 3, okay, 1 single crochet stitch in the first stitch. Now we have 4 stitch count, round number 2. Round number 3, 1 single crochet stitch in the first stitch, again mark it with the stitch marker. 2 single crochet stitches in the second stitch, again 1 single crochet stitch in the third stitch, and 2 single crochet stitches in the fourth stitch. So our stitch count has increased from 4 to 6. Okay, remove the stitch marker. Round number 3 is done with 6 single crochet stitches in total. Round number 4, 1 single crochet stitch in the first stitch, mark it with the stitch marker. 1 single crochet stitch in the second stitch, 2 single crochet stitches in the third stitch. Repeat this once again. 1, 1 and 2. 1 in the first, 1 in the second, and 2 in the last stitch or the third stitch. Keep the tail aside. Okay, 1 and 2. So round number 4 we are having 8 single crochet stitches. Remove the marker. Round number 5, insert the hook in the first stitch and make a single crochet, mark it with the stitch marker. Now 1 in the second, 1 in the third, and 2 in the fourth. Repeat this once again. 1 single crochet in first 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and 2 single crochet stitches in the last or the fourth stitch. So your stitch count in round number 5 has increased from 8 to 10. See, now it has taken the shape of a cone. In this way you can increase it and make a cone shape. As many rounds, you have to just follow this sequence, like 1 single crochet in this round number 5 we have made 1 single crochet in first 3 stitches and 2 single crochet in the fourth one. Now round number 6 will be 1 single crochet in first 4 stitches, mark it with the stitch marker, the first stitch, 1 in the second, 1 in the third, 1 in the fourth, and 2 single crochet stitches in the fifth one. Repeat this once again. 1 single crochet in first 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 single crochet stitches in the fifth stitch. So in the round number 6 your stitch count has increased from 10 to 12, and you can see it has taken a triangular shape like this, but if you open it like this, it's a cone, right? So in this way you have to keep on making, like now we have taken in the 6th round 1 single crochet in first 4 stitches and 2 in the 5th, and then repeated it once again. Round number 7 will be 1 single crochet in first 5 stitches and then 2 in the 6th. ठीक है, repeat it once again, right? Round number 8, 1 single crochet in first 6 stitches, and then yes, 6 stitches, and in the 7th stitch make 2 single crochet stitches. So keep on increasing like this, and your triangular shape will get increased. It will be a cone, right? It will be a conical shape. So like this you can make, right? So hope you like my video on making this small and beautiful project. It will be very useful for you for making a triangular cap, like for making Christmas caps, small amigurumi projects, for making the unicorn's horn, or similar like projects you can make like that. Okay, so hope you like it. Please give it a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any queries, if you have any suggestions, please do write in the comment section. Please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get the notification for each and every time I'll upload anything new. And thank you for watching my videos. Thank you once again. God bless you.